for step 1, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account. And step 2, I'll show you how you can copy and paste free articles into this app. And step 3, you can click and activate the app, and boom, as simple as that. And that's exactly how all of these guys right here, they're able to make big money online. Take a look at this: $75, $54, even $210. Now this is a very easy and simple method to make money online, and you can do this on your mobile phone as well, on Android phone or on iPhone. And once again, this is a 100% free method, and this is available worldwide. In this quick video, I'll show you step by step exactly how to do this, and I'll be giving away a lot of bonus tips that can help you to earn double more money compared to other people. So make sure you keep watching and don't miss out on that. Now before we get into this video, can you please help me to like this video? You are absolutely amazing. And with that being said, let's get into the video. So right now, I want you to take a look at this app right here, which is Spinbot. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can use this app, and then we're gonna make a lot of money online by simply copy and pasting free articles on this box, and then we can just click on this button, and then this app will automatically help us to rewrite the entire articles, and that's gonna make us a lot of money. So I want you to take a look at this. In just a moment, I'll show you a real life example and walk you through step by step exactly how to do this. And by the end of watching videos, you can easily earn $70, $90, even $200 or $300 right on this website. And the good news is that this is available worldwide. So right now, step number 1, I want you to go on to this website, which is easinarticles.com. Now it is very important for you to watch the entire video so that you don't miss out on any steps and you can begin making money. So right now, as you can see here, when I scroll down below, you can find different articles category. For example, insurance, legal, real estate, cancer, finance, gaming. There's so many copyright free articles that we can copy and paste for free on this website. And then in just a moment, I'll show you how you can use Spinbot, and then we can make a lot of money online. So right now, I want to give you the first bonus tip, which is very powerful. I want you to focus on the investing category, as you can see here. So right now, I want you to click on this link, and that's gonna take you to this page. As you can see here, we can find different investing articles that's copyright free that you can get on this website. Take a look at this. This is one articles, and this is another articles, and there are literally hundreds and hundreds of free articles that you can get on this website. So right now, say for example, if I want to use these articles investing in a volatile environment, I'll just go and click on this link, and that's gonna take me to this page. As you can see here, this is the entire articles that we can copy and paste for absolutely free. And the good thing is that they are very professional and they are well written. So right now, I want to show you a real life example, and what I want you to do is to go in and highlight the entire articles. And of course, you can do this on your phone, you can do this on your computer, okay, doesn't matter. And I want you to highlight the entire paragraph and just go in and click on copy. And then the next thing that I want you to do is to go on to spinbot.com. Now this is a web-based free software that you can use, and they're gonna automatically help you to rewrite the entire articles and do a spinning. So real quick, I just gonna paste the entire articles right here on this box. As you can see here, enter the text to rewrite. And the reason why we're gonna use this software right here is because we don't want to just straight away copy the entire articles, because a lot of people, they can do that, right? So instead of that, I want you to go on to Spinbot and use this free software to help us to rewrite the entire articles using different grammars, using different sentences, and that's gonna make the article so much better, and it is different compared to anyone else. So right now, as you can see here, this software allows you to automatically spin, right, maximum of 10,000 words. So for example, these articles that we use is only 4,770 words. So right now, you can scroll down below and click on this I'm not a robot and click on the go button. As simple as that. And that's gonna take you a couple of seconds to let the system run, and boom, as you can see here under the rewritten text. Now this is the entire articles that Spinbot help us to recreate the entire articles. So right now, as you can see here, this is our original articles that we copy from the Easin's website, okay, this website right here, which I showed just now. And by using Spinbot, they're gonna help us to rewrite the entire articles, and that's it, right? We can copy the entire articles, and then I'll show you the next step how we can use that to make money right now. And also don't forget that if you watch this video all the way until the end, I'll share with you a special tips that can help you to earn 2 times up to 3 times more money money. Say for example, this guy, as you can see here, he makes $73, and I'll show you how you can make $210 just like this guy right here, and you can do it for free, and you can repeat this over and to make money online by using this exact strategy, by getting free articles on ezins.com and use the Spinbot software to rewrite the content. And what you can do is that you can go on to seoclerks.com. So right here on this website, you can go and click on this link on top, which is content and writing, and that's gonna take you to this page, as you can see here, where people are charging for hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Say for example, this guy right here, $120, $999, $120, and there are literally an entire list of people that are doing this exact strategy by helping people to write unique articles. So that's exactly how all of these guys here, they're able to make big money online every single day, and I want to share with you some bonus tips right now. So if you are still watching this video, I want you to like this video and comment down below and let me know you are a champion, because you're absolutely amazing, because you're learning on how to make money online. And right now I want to share with you a very special website that you can get a lot of very high quality articles that's copyright free. As you can see here, copyright free content that you can get on this website, and this website is actually copyrightfreecontent.com. and once again, on this website you can find a lot of free articles from different categories, for example books, business, career, community. There's so many different opportunities. So say for example, on this website you can find articles, say for example on the financial categories, and look at that, this is the entire articles, this is one articles, and this right here is another articles, and the earning opportunity is literally unlimited. So right now, as you can see here, you have the first website, which is ezinsarticles.com, and you have the second website, which is copyrightfreecontent.com. You have so many different articles that you can get a lot of ideas. And once you find articles on both of these websites, and once again you're gonna follow the step which I showed you just now, just go on to Spinbot, and then we're gonna just copy and paste the articles right here on this box, and with just one click of a button to use that to rewrite the articles for us. And by providing this service to conquer.io, we can make hundreds and thousands of dollars, and once again we can do this on seoclerks.com as well. So right now let's go on to the final step, is that you're gonna sign up a free account on seoclerks.com. Just go and click on this blue button on top, which is join, and that's gonna open up this box right here. Just put in your username, your email and password, and click on the continue button, as simple as that. And once again, if you want to sign up a free account on Conquer as well, just go and click on the join link on top, and then that's gonna open up this box, sign up to Conquer. Just put in your username, email, password, and sign up for a free account, and you can begin making money.